Promising to bring about a radical shift in digital banking practices, AU Small Finance Bank, India's largest SFB, has unveiled a mega brand campaign aptly titled Badlav Humse Hai. This is the first integrated marketing communication campaign from AU Bank since its inception, a creative endeavor that will showcase the bank's passion for innovation. Well, who else but Aamir Khan and Kiara Advani were roped in as brand ambassadors for the brand campaign. Let's see what all took place and listen to this video out to what they had to say on this.
But मैं पहले वाली 2-3 मिनट बात बोल देता हूँ कि as we all know कि we started a journey 25 years back. So I come from a very humble family but started NBFC without money. So पहला बदलाव तो वहीं आ गया था. But you know, in 2014 and 15, when regulator thought they need to give new licenses, but licenses can't go to Mumbai, licenses can't go to Delhi. So they brought a badlav saying this: they need to give 10 licenses for those people who can actually can do a lot of badlavs in unserved, unreached markets. And we got the license in 2015. We started our journey in 2017, and in last we have built a lot of badlavs in our whole banking practices. You know, जो हम बोलते हैं ऐसा क्यों? तो ऐसा क्यों का पहला जो सवाल आता था, मैं एज ए यूजर बैंक करता था, तो इतनी स्लिप भरवाते थे कि काम क्यों करना है ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा होता था कि एप्लीकेशन भरो. तो मैं कहा हमारे बैंक में एप्लीकेशन नहीं भरेंगे हम, right? So we brought a lot of changes and we were doing a lot of things internally till we met Aamir Saab and Kiara. And हमने उनको बोला कि सर देखिए हमने इतने काम किए हैं, आई नो कि आप बैंकर नहीं हैं लेकिन आप उसको अच्छे से नरेट कर सकते हैं. तो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, सिटिंग हियर, बदलाव हमसे जो वर्ड है वो हमारा वर्ड नहीं था, वो तो हमारा कैरेक्टर था और उसको नाम दिया है आमिर साहब ने और विद द हेल्प ऑफ उत्तम. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर. हमको डिस्कवरी नहीं हो रहा था कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. सो यू एक्चुअली पुट ए वर्ड ऑन इट एंड फिर नीतीश साहब बैठे हुए हैं. सो ये बदलाव हमसे है, वो हम करते आ रहे थे, बट नाम पूरी आई वुड से कि हमारी मार्केटिंग टीम है, हम सब ने मिलके जो बनाया इज अमेजिंग, राइट? बट वी मीन इट. और आप देखते जाओगे आगे जाके कि ये खाली वर्ड नहीं है. जैसे पूरी लाइफ आमिर साहब ने जैसे जी है, आई वुड लव कि हमको एक मौका मिल रहा है टू बिकम ए एजेंट ऑफ चेंज, राइट? एंड वी रियली वांट टू ग्रैब इट विद बोथ द हैंड्स. और अब इनके साथ बैठे हैं तो इनके साथ रहना है तो करना ही पड़ेगा. जी. आई डोंट हैव अ चॉइस नाउ.
So trust me, you're going to be with him forever.
Yeah. So sir, ज़्यादा बोल दिया, आपको इन सर से पूछना है.
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल आप ही का स्टेज है सर, आप जितना मर्जी बोलेंगे तो चलेगा. In fact, if one were to think of a sobriquet to describe Aamir sir, I would pick Badlav, a man of many, a Badlav, a man of many firsts. Correct. So what you're saying, agent of change, absolutely. It applies to him. Absolutely. Sanjay sir, I'm going to continue with you here. If you ask me, I think it's a perfect fit. Brand and brand ambassador. It's a perfect fit, isn't it? But I'm still going to prod you very curiously. Why Aamir Khan? Why Kiara Advani?
अरे बाप रे, ये तो इससे तो कोई सिंपल क्वेश्चन कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. You know, because why आमिर, मतलब ये आमिर से पूछो why AU?
वो तो मैं पूछने वाली हूँ सर अभी. I'm going to ask him.
मैंने सुना है कि राजा को चॉइस होती है, वो सेलेक्ट करे प्रजा में से. प्रजा तो ना सेलेक्ट करता है राजा कौन बनेगा. So हम तो कंज्यूमर हैं, right? So I would say it was very obvious. देखिए पर्सनल साइड पे मैं इनका शुरू से ह्यूज फैन हूँ.
सर मैं भी.
बट जब हम बात कर रहे थे और टीम भी यहाँ बैठी हुई है, आई थिंक द टॉप ऑफ द लाइन हु कैन एक्चुअली, एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल फॉर कंसेप्ट कि उन्होंने हमको बोला कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एजेंसी को कि जैसा आप काम करते हो ना सर, वैसे एक ही आदमी आपको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है हिंदुस्तान में. तो आई होप कि वो हमारे सामने था, ऑब्वियस थी और बहुत रिजोनेट करते हैं. बिकॉज पहली पिक्चर सर की 88 में आई थी, मैं उस वक्त पढ़ रहा था. फिर 95 में रंगीला आई, 95 में AU चालू हुई. तो इनकी 25-30 साल में इवॉल्व हुआ, हम इवॉल्व हुए एज ए पर्सनैलिटी, एज ए बैंक, एज ए प्लेटफॉर्म. और कियारा, यू नो, बिकॉज अगेन वी थॉट कि हु इज वाइब्रेंट, हु इज न्यू, हु इज डूइंग लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स, जो हमको रिजोनेट करती है. 5-6 साल का इनका कैरियर है, 5-6 साल का हमारा बैंक कैरियर है. यू नो, आई थिंक शी हैज ए अमेजिंग फैन फॉलोइंग. मेरे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, वो तो बोलते ही हैं कि साक्षी आई है. so you know, you can resonate. You know, if somebody is known for some character,
Ji.
you know, it's so good for them to accept our invitation because,
Yes.
again, I'd say it is our privilege, our own, fortune that, both the people have said yes to our campaign and they are living it, So I hope जब आप campaign देखेंगे, it will be one of the best campaign, I would say, the way both the people has put in their effort, commitment, and मैं तो actually मैं बड़े डर के पूछा आमिर साहब से कि सर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आएंगे क्या? So क्यों नहीं आएंगे भाई? तो ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसा क्यों?
एक्चुअली में आज भी शायद डेट तो आपने बताया कि कोई बदलाव सर ले लिया है आज वापस आफ्टर पेंडेमिक की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है तो अब होती रहेंगी
Many a बदलाव every single year from him. In fact, आपने बात करी इनकी पहली फिल्म की, मैं थोड़ा सा ऑफ टॉपिक 30 सेकंड्स के लिए जाऊंगी और इन्हें बताऊंगी कि मैं 10वीं कक्षा पास कर चुकी थी सर जब आपकी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई क़यामत से क़यामत तक, एंड जो मेरे 11वीं और 12वीं में अत्यंत खराब नंबर आए वो आप ही की वजह से थे, बिकॉज आई कुडंट थिंक बियॉन्ड आमिर खान when I was in 11th and 12th. think गंदे नंबर आए थे मेरे. Huge fan of yours, sir, since then, and I'm so delighted to be working with you now. Okay, I'm coming to you now, sir. I've asked him why Amir Khan and why Kiara Advani. It's not. Can I, sir, use your mic? I think it's been set to.
There has to be some to improve the voice quality, right? Yeah.
This was my mic, sir. Actually,
No, actually, we need a monitor here,
Yes.
which I don't think we have.
The monitors are, sir, placed
So it's a little
behind us.
difficult to hear because it's bouncing and coming.
जी, monitor उधर है, sir.
Ah,
तभी, जी.
okay, that's better.
So, sir, it is not very often that we see you put your weight behind a brand and its philosophy. But you've chosen to come on board as brand ambassador for AU Small Finance Bank and put your weight behind our brand, our philosophy, our people, and our organization. What made you take this decision, sir?
Well, actually, in the first meeting itself, जब मैं पहली बार मिला संजय जी से, तो दो चीज़ें हुई. एक तो जब जैसे जैसे मुझे पता चला इनकी जर्नी के बारे में और किस तरह बैंक शुरू हुआ और कैसे कैसे ये आगे बढ़े, तो वो कहानी ही मुझे बहुत इंस्पायरिंग लगी. और जब मैंने देखा कि इनका क्या फंडा है लाइफ में, तो मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी कि जो भी एक बैंकिंग के जो प्रथाएं होती हैं जो चली आ रही हैं, लेकिन उसमें कभी कभी कुछ लॉजिक नहीं होता. हो सकता है कुछ साल पहले उनका लॉजिक हो, अब नहीं है. तो संजय जी और उनकी टीम जो है वो इन सारी चीज़ों को चैलेंज करने में फॉर बेटर सर्विस फॉर पीपल, दे आर लीडिंग इन दैट, इन फैक्ट आई वुड से. तो जो कदम आपने लिए मुझे लगा कि यार ये बहुत सही दिशा में जा रहे हैं ये लोग. और इसके अलावा मुझे संजय जी बहुत पसंद है. एक्चुअली मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं इंसानों से जुड़ता हूं.
Correct.
तो जब आप इंसान सही चुनते हैं तो फिर वो काम उसका सही होता है.
जी.
तो एक कनेक्शन होता है.
I know what
आई
you
थिंक
mean.
हमारा कनेक्शन जुड़ गया आपकी टीम के साथ. आपकी जो एजेंसी है वो बड़ी अच्छी काबिल टीम है, आपकी मार्केटिंग टीम बहुत अच्छी है. तो वी काइंड ऑफ क्लिक्ड, ऑल ऑफ अस क्लिक्ड टुगेदर एंड इट जस्ट हैपेंड. तो आई थिंक आई एम रियली, एंड कैंपेन में शूट करने में भी बड़ा मजा आया हम लोगों को. इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद कियारा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. या
Kiara, I'm coming to you now. I was told that you signed on the dotted line really fast, and we're really happy to come on board. What made you decide to come on board as brand ambassador?
Well, firstly, a very good evening to everyone, and apologies for my little mask fiasco over there. I'm sorry to the media who didn't get their image. We'll surely take a picture after.
उनकी बाली का डिजाइन बड़ा अच्छा है. बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, मतलब एक दफा उसमें कोई चीज अटक जाए निकलेगी नहीं.
Thank you, sir, for helping me with that. So I'm going to go back a little bit.
Yes, of course.
I remember at the time when, the brand came to me, I was, as you know, I've just started off my career about 5 years, 5-6 years it's been in the industry. And I've just started earning my own money and understanding my finances. And I would always rely on my father to do all my banking. Anything, leave it to my dad. I had no idea about my bank or what I was doing or anything. And it was first the thought behind the campaign which connected with me. Badlav humse hai. I think I believe in that completely. Change is the only thing constant and it should begin,
Yes.
We make that change. And
Yes.
that really connected with me. And then sitting with the team, with Sanjay sir, and understanding how the bank has pushed the envelope and made it's so consumer friendly. It's so easy for people like me, my generation, to, everything's literally a click on your phone.
Yes.
And the services that they're offering, from monthly interest plans to every single thing, the AU 0101 app, everything just connected with me in a way that I felt like this is what I need. And if I need this, then I want to be a part of this and go ahead. And then, of course, the cherry on the icing was to work with Amir sir and Nitesh sir.
Absolutely, I bet it was.
So I can truly say it has been like one big family. We've come together, everyone with the same ideologies, and here we are.
Wonderful, it's wonderful to have you on board, really.
Thank you, my pleasure.
संजय जी, अब आप बताइए, हम लोग तो सब बहुत excited हैं. The screens are all set. What's the game plan ahead?
देखिए, मेरा दिन तो वैसे ही बन गया, बिकॉज आमिर जी ने बोलते ना कि मैं आपको चाहने लग गया हूँ, so I think अब गेम प्लान बचा ही गया है. But on a serious note, I think the whole plan, the campaign, which we have designed, and of course the whole launch of digital properties of AU, has really made me much excited, much thrilled, because we know in last maybe around 6 quarters how the world has been suffering from pandemic, and there is lot of what you call sadness around us. But team has done brilliant job in last 6 quarters, seeing this transition from physical to tech. The bank has to cope up with that whole change, right? And my team is there. I'm really kudos to them that they have done, this property has come so beautifully, which is our, of course, you would be seeing that 010 is a binary number. We have designed it internally. It is not created by any team. We designed it internally. Of course, logo has been designed by contract and the team. And that both has come up so well. And then, we're done with the super app. We're done with credit card. We're the first bank in terms of SFB has done our own launch. We have done our own QR codes, which is the flavor of the, as of now, because a lot of UPI transition happens to that. We have done video banking. Can you imagine, I have seen the ages when we need to go to the bank, actually meet the customer, meet the bank manager, ask him for the form, then you to bring 2 guarantors, to know you so that you can open the account. Right? It was just 20 years back. Now through video banking, and thanks to the regulator, where they allowed us to open account from your drawing room. Like we are saying, you're saying now, work from home, right? We are saying banking from home.
Bank from home.
So I think brilliantly done by our team. It's a start. There would be a lot of challenges, but at least AU Bank in its 4th year of operations, or maybe in 5th year of operation, has become the catalyst of the digital life of this country.
Absolutely.
And now with this campaign coming in, and so with Amir Saab and Kiara leading the whole transition, in terms of how we have done over the years and what we can do in coming times, I would, when you see the whole films today, you will yourself will know that what is coming for us in times to come. And we can only promise you that, AU will always strive for this incremental innovations, because आप daily सीखते हो यार. मतलब मैं शायद आज भी कुछ सीख के जाऊँगा आप सब लोगों से. Can I implement it in a bank for your betterment of few people, right? And as we always say nowadays that, let's make our world a better place to live, right? So we always say, let's make our banking a better experience to serve you better, right? So this is how our thinking is, and the entire 22,000 people who are on the online sitting here, I am actually saying on your behalf that, AU will strive for every innovation of this era, to make us better, and make your life better. Thank you so much.
Yay to that. Pleasure. All of you 23,000 watching, that one is for you. All right, then, let's begin to reveal the campaign bit by bit, shall we? We'll begin with the first film, the monthly payout film. Please play it for us, twice.
वो क्या है जो आता हुआ अच्छा लगता है लेकिन जाता हुआ नहीं?
एक और हिंट, ये चीज
संजय जी, हमें ये बताइए कि ये बदलाव, how is it different from the others?
रुचिका, ये बहुत कॉमन सेंस है.
देखिए,
इतने सालों तक हम दे रहे थे हर महीने, तो लेते क्यों नहीं है भाई? So we started our bank in April 17, Amir Saab and we discussed it a lot, कि भी हम देना भी तो चाहिए ना यार, जब ले रहे हो तो दो भी यार, बस so simple actually. And मैं जितने भी यहाँ प्रेस मीडिया के मेरे दोस्त बैठे हुए हैं उनको बोलूँगा कि आप प्लीज़ अपने बैंक अकाउंट चेक करिए कि लास्ट जुलाई महीने का इंटरेस्ट आया था नहीं आया था, और आप चेक करिए एयू के कस्टमर्स में उनका आया है. So that's the way we want to say कि ऐसा क्यों. So मुझे लगता है ये बहुत नेचुरल है.
ये सारी चीजें जब आप बता रहे थे मुझे, जब हम लोग की पहली मीटिंग में थी, तो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि ये सारी चीजें सिर्फ आपको लोगों को बतानी है, बाकी और कुछ नहीं करना है. क्योंकि ये इतना कॉमन सेंस है ये चीज, और इतनी सीधी है. सो आई थिंक इट्स वंडरफुल कि आपने ये शुरू किया.
So, Geetika, I would like to have 2 minutes here.
हाँ जी sir,
you know.
please, please.
संजय अपने मुंह से बात नहीं बता पाएंगे ठीक से ना, because we were the conduit to this journey. So when we converted ourselves from NBFC to bank, and we were designing our products.
Uh-huh.
So we were NBFC guys, for last 25 years.
Yes, sir, I know.
And we got the bank license, which is the most prestigious platform of the world, you can say, in India. And our kind of humble background guys getting banking license is a God-sent opportunity, You just can't dreamt of.
So I think it was a license well given.
It's a license, for our kind of guys.
Well
because
deserved.
because license doesn't comes like this,
I know, sir.
It was a legacy was there of 25 years working on ground, financial inclusion, serving customers. All those parameters were there. So when we were designing the product of this saving account, so a lot of new people have joined us from other banks, sir. So everybody pitched for quarterly interest, sir. It's so obvious. And out of a संजय, जैसे आपने बोला ना कनेक्शन, सर ये कनेक्शन कोई 50 साल पहले ही हो गया था, because he is always a man of ऐसा क्यों, challenging status को, और आपकी भी सर हमेशा ऐसे ही है ऐसा क्यों. Then he immediately said, we were there, कि यार मैं 25 साल से लोन दे रहा हूँ, EMI हर महीने लेते हो, आप इंटरेस्ट हर महीने लेते हो, ये 3 महीने से क्यों? And nobody was having answer. बोला सर वो कॉस्टिंग ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नो 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 नो, मैंने इतने साल लोन दिया है, मैंने हर महीने EMI दिया है, मुझे ही मंथली देना है. And everybody was stunned in that meeting कि सर ये कैसे? And we did that.
And Uttam, just to tell you कि you will see industry will adopt this.
Yes.
So
yes.
मैं बोलूँगा कि हमने अप्रैल 17 से किया हुआ है to my friends here, और people might start tomorrow. So ऐसा क्यों बदलाव आ रहा है?
बदलाव हमसे है संजय सर. तो अगर आप सबको वो नहीं मिला इंटरेस्ट तो जल्दी से एयू स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक के कस्टमर्स बन जाइए. सिंपल नहीं? Okay. All right. I'm now going to play for you all an audio visual that will share with you the extensive features of AU 0101, the super app that is, as we speak, changing the digital landscape of India's banking industry. It comes armed with convenience, speed, flexibility, security, extensive features. Would you all like to take a look? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's play the audio visual of our country. And if you all were watching the audio visual carefully, you would have noticed a few slides there about video banking. Yeah? So I'm now going to play for you a film on video banking, and then I'm going to be talking to Sanjay ji once again. Let's play the film.
प्राचीन समय से
Yeah, and the past year, what the world has witnessed is a great transformation. And I always say this at every second event that I do, that the corporates, the organizations, the brands who've kept pace with this transformation that we've seen over the last year are the ones who will head into the future. Video banking. At one time, it was unfathomable, unacceptable, and now is the new norm led by you. Your thoughts on the same?
No, if you take my view, then I would say the video banking and the video KYC is the watershed movement in the Indian banking industry. Because,
Well said, sir.
we never heard of, यार बैंक का आदमी बैंक ब्रांच में जाएगा, उसमें अपने KYC बताएगा, फिर वो उसको चेक करेंगे, फिर अकाउंट खोलेंगे. I think minimum time for you to think you need a bank account and a bank account opening still in this world is also at least 3 days. सोचने से.
Yes, approximately,
right?
yes.
But now आपने सोचा, तो download AU app, go to the one of the icons, video bank, take it, and you find the banker there. So, and then just open the account. So in my opinion, now from thinking to have a bank account with AU Bank at 7%, you need to be just a click away from the Play Store and just do it, right? So now, and then you can transfer the money, you can deposit the money, you can do anything So where is the requirement of a bank branch in next 10 years then? You know about millennial, right?
Yes.
You know about the next generation. They are doing everything on the go now, right? And I'm so thankful to the whole regulator and of course the government of India to allow this. This is not an easy step. Require a lot of courage from
Yes,
them
sir,
also.
it's a very futuristic
because
decision.
banking is not easy. Banking is
Yes.
a high regulated business.
Yes.
You know, but the way they are thinking, you know, is so good for me, people like me who just started the bank.
Ji.
So I think this video banking is still a very small word in the banking industry, but we already put around 100 video bankers in AU, and those 100 bankers are itself is a one branch, in my opinion, because they will open the account, they will do the payments, they will satisfy your queries. So you don't actually have to move even from your comfort zone.
Yes.
आप सोते हुए करिए, सर ने तो मतलब मुकुट लगा के कर लिया था.
जी.
So I hope कि so
Sir-
video banking is next big thing in this Indian banking for
And
me.
you're leading the way. You're
Yes.
leading the way.
Yes.
एक और बात है जो हम सब ने शायद सोची नहीं है. That's also a very sustainable model of operation for
Correct.
you know for our planet
Correct.
Earth.
Correct.
It's the way forward. Virtual operations. Amir sir, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि I was told you were laid down with COVID for a bit, and then you had to virtually organize a lot of your work, you know, through video conferencing. How was that experience? Was it a first-time experience for you? And now, are you addicted to it? How does it?
या नो पहले तो मुझे आदत नहीं थी वीडियो कॉल्स में लोगों से मिलने की, बातचीत करने की, लेकिन अब ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से, कोविड की वजह से अब वो आदत पड़ गई है. अब तो हम लोकेशन भी देख लेते हैं.
Yes.
हम लोग घर पे बैठ के, हमारा असिस्टेंट जाता है लोकेशन, वो वीडियो कॉल करके हमको पूरा दिखाता है. तो सडनली यू रियलाइज कि एक्चुअली वीडियो कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स,
For a lot.
जो जिसकी वजह से अब आपको ट्रैवल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो डेफिनेटली इट इज मच मोर कन्वीनियंट. या
Yes. Yes. It saves time. It saves money. It saves resource, and it's so much more easier. Kiara, what about you? How is this whole new world of virtual conferencing, video working for you?
I feel like my generation, we've grown up on this. So
Yes.
this is just what we needed. It's convenient, it's flexible, it's, as Sir said, it's, customer friendly. It's just what we needed, just what we wanted, and it's making our life so much more easier.
I like the way you're again and again saying our generation. It's making the rest of us.
या आवर जनरेशन,
so
व्हाट शी
our
मींस इज आवर जनरेशन.
पता नहीं बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स दे रहे हो हमको. और सर भी बोल देते हैं.
Just kidding. Okay.
बट एक ही है डिस्क्लेमर कि हर कॉल पे आपको आमिर खान साहब नहीं मिलेंगे, कभी कभी मिलेंगे.
कभी
तो
मिलेंगे.
वो आप चांस लो लाइफ में, वो चांस लो आप लोग.
कभी-कभी मिल सकते हैं, and I will request Kiara also to be there, as a young generation, millennial.
जी, चलिए, let's move towards the next film. Can we now play the deposit slip film, please? Let's show them
You're very
the
best,
campaign
sir.
bit by
Your
bit.
हाँ, ये मेरी फेवरेट फिल्म है. हाँ,
जी सर, अच्छा. बताइएगा क्यों सर इसके बाद.
लाइफ में बहुत
जहाँ आमिर सर बैठे हुए हैं, हम उसी ब्रांच में बैंकिंग करेंगे. आमिर सर,
एक्चुअली
why
मुझे
was this
लगता है
your
कि ये
favorite film?
इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. देखिए, जैसे जैसे आप छोटी जगहों पे जाएंगे, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो शायद पढ़े लिखे ना हो, उनको तकलीफ होगी उस भाषा में भरने के लिए. तो ये एक इतनी कॉमन सेंस चीज है जो आप अपनी बैंक में लाएं कि कोई भी इंसान जब बैंक में आता है तो अब उसको ये स्ट्रेस और टेंशन नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ लिखना है, कुछ भरना है, वो भी ठीक से भरना है. ये मेरे लिए कोई कर लेगा, बैंक मेरे लिए ये सारी चीजें कर लेगी, मेरा जो है काम वो हो जाएगा मेरा फटाफट. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी बिग सर्विस यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग, वेरी बिग सर्विस.
Great convenience.
तो ये तो जितने बैंकर बैठे हैं ना मेरे, हमारे जितने ओल्ड आए थे, तो मैंने इनसे आते सवाल पूछा कि मैंने कहा यार ये तुम पैसे की स्लिप भी भराते रहते हो आदमी से यार, मतलब 2-2 घंटे तो बेचारा पेन ढूंढता. एक्चुअली में कहाँ से था, मेरे मन में आया था कि जब हम छोटे थे, जब बैंक जाते थे, तो एक वो पेन तो आप ले जाना भूलते ही थे हमेशा. करेक्ट, पेन तो होता ही नहीं था, और जो वो पेन वहां लगा रहता था वो आज तक चला ही नहीं,
वो धागे में टंगा.
वो आज तक वहीं लटका हुआ है. तो मैं कहा ये 2 काम मुझे अपने कस्टमर से नहीं कराने. तो मेरे बच्चे बोलते थे कि सर इतना काम आप हमसे कराओगे. तो मैं कहा पैसे उसके हैं, अकाउंट उसका है, और काम भी वही करे, काम तो अपन करेंगे ना भाई. सो आई थिंक दैट कम वेरी नेचुरली. एंड सर ये गांव में जितने भी मेरे दोस्त लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, ये स्कीम गांव में इतनी हिट है बिकॉज if you ask too many questions to customer, he will evade you. He will evade you. That's my own sense. जितना हम उसको बिना बात करे काम करेंगे, तो हमारा डिजिटल ऐप भी वही बोलता है, don't meet us, do everything on digital app. और यदि आप बैंक आ भी गए, तो भी आप हमसे कम बात करिए, हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिलीवरी करेंगे. दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट, यू नो. आप जितना भी
That's the way.
करेक्ट.
उत्तम जी,
बट दिस इज
आपसे-
बेस्ट सर. मतलब आपने जिस तरीके से आम आदमी का दर्द बताया ना सर, एज ए बैंकर
हो सकता है उनका भी दर्द हो।
नहीं, क्या है?
आई वाज टेलिंग नितेश जी कि ये
नहीं
बेस्ट टीम है.
इसमें नितेश जी ने जो वो पूरा जो किया है, क्योंकि वो समझ गए कि इसको एग्जाम में बहुत तकलीफ होती थी आमिर को, तो उसका दर्द निकल के आया.
उत्तम जी, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी that this whole thing is all about customer first. समझदारी, जिम्मेदारी, ईमानदारी से आप कस्टमर फर्स्ट की अपनी फिलॉसफी निभाते जाते हैं, and it all begins from the top, and that's why every soldier, all the 23,000 watching us virtually, also implement customer first on ground every single day. Tell us more about this philosophy.
थैंक्स गीतिका. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि ये भी एक 25 साल की हम लोग ने जो ग्राउंड पे काम किया, जो संजय ने बोला, हम लोग वही अगेन आई विल रिपीट कि 25 साल से हम लोग लोन दे रहे थे, और हम गांव-गांव में, मतलब वी आर इन टू हिंटरलैंड्स अमीर जी, मतलब गांव-गांव में हम शुरू से, इसीलिए हम लोग इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं आज. और वहाँ हम जब लोन देते थे तो कस्टमर को कभी पता नहीं था कि उसकी ईएमआई कितनी है, कितना लोन अमाउंट है, मैं कहाँ ऑफिस में जाऊँ, कैसे रिसीट भरूँ ईएमआई देने के लिए. तो हम शुरू से 25 साल से सर लीवर्स, हम कस्टमर से कभी कोई उनसे रिसीट नहीं बढ़ाई हमने, कभी कोई एप्लीकेशन नहीं, क्योंकि उस गांव में उस बेचारे को लिखना ही नहीं आता. उसको एप्लीकेशन बोलना, एक डोर खोलना उसके लिए एक तकलीफ है, उसके लिए एक डर है. तो एक लर्निंग वहां से आई. जब हम बैंक बने तो वहां भी आए कि हम कस्टमर से कोई रिसीट नहीं बनवाएंगे. तो एवरीबडी वाज अगेन अगेंस्ट इट कि सर ये कंप्लायंस नहीं होगा, दिस इज अगेंस्ट. एंड संजय ऐसा क्यों, और बदलाव ऐसा क्यों. यानी कि नहीं यार, हम तो नहीं बनाएंगे, हम ही मेहनत करेंगे. एंड सर आपने इसमें सोल दे दी है. हम कर तो रहे थे, संजय ने बोला हम कर तो रहे थे, लेकिन आपने हमें आत्मा दी है इसके अंदर में, कि आप जो कर रहे हैं दुनिया को पता चले और हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाते रहें. थैंक यू.
वी मीन इट ना. वहाँ मेरे जितने दोस्त बैठे हैं, यू मीन इट ना. हम स्लिप नहीं भरेंगे. हाँ.
चलिए, let's play the next film. Technical crew, let's play the film for Home Branch.
बैंक्स चाहते हैं.
Very nice. So well done.
I already offered Kiara job. मतलब alternative.
अच्छा.
But I'm
Let's hope
already
she
on the
doesn't
job.
need it too soon. She's doing pretty well where she is. She's blazing a new trail. Okay, संजय जी, मैं आपसे ये इसके बारे में पूछना चाहती हूँ कि 750 geographical locations तो हैं ही आपके all across the country, but ये जो concept है, this is giving your customers unprecedented ease of access of banking services. Tell us more about it.
अरे बाप रे. So what happened कि as उत्तम टोल ना, हम बैंकों से बोरो करते थे, तो एक ब्रांच होती थी, like I don't want to take name, but एक ब्रांच जयपुर में है, and somehow you are in Bombay. तो आप उस बैंक में उस कॉन्फिडेंस से नहीं जा पाते थे, बिकॉज आपको लगता था कि वही ब्रांच जो जयपुर में है और वहीं पर जो एक श्यामलाल नाम के एक बैंक मैनेजर हैं, उनसे हमारी दोस्ती है. तो इतनी बड़ी बैंक फ्रेंचाइज होती है. देयर इज, यू नो, वी कॉल्ड एनी बैंकिंग, यू नो, एनीवेयर बैंकिंग जिसको वर्ड यूज करते हैं हम लोग, बिकॉज सिस्टम आ गए हैं, टेक आ गई है. व्हाई दिस गैप यार? फिर क्या होता है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं, यहाँ काम करोगे तो कम खर्चा है, यहाँ करोगे तो ज़्यादा खर्चा है. अरे तो भाई, मैं बैंक का कस्टमर हूँ या ब्रांच का कस्टमर हूँ? तो ये मैं अपने आप से पूछता था. तो यू नो, व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड अ बैंक, हमने बोला यार कस्टमर बिलोंग्स टू बैंक. वो ऋषि जी बैठे हैं, हमारे ब्रांच बैंकिंग हेड हैं, इनसे पूछो एक कस्टमर आता है, वो कितना तकलीफ, मतलब कितने मुश्किल से मिलता है मुझे, राइट? और जैसे आता है ना, उसको बोलते तो ये ब्रांच का है भाई तू. अरे क्यों भाई? लेट हिम द bank customer, because if he is a bank customer, then we can serve him holistically, right? And you can't be differentiating around charges. ठीक है, आप थोड़ी बहुत बात करिए, इधर उधर लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन you have to be inviting, you have to be welcoming.
जी, absolutely.
मेरे हिसाब से तो यार, मतलब कस्टमर आ रहा है तो हमें खुश होना चाहिए. क्योंकि बैंकों में थी, अरे तुम उस बैंक का कस्टमर है क्या, उस ब्रांच का, जाओ 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 बाहर जाओ. अरे रुक भाई, I'm a customer of you. But I think that concept we really want to bring, and I want to request my team कि भैया मतलब संभाल लेना इस बात को, कहीं मतलब टारगेट के चक्कर में कहीं इधर उधर कर दो. लेकिन let's honor customer, then his whole thing behind him. उससे मतलब नहीं है हमको कस्टमर से मतलब है, right? I think that come from that background. I'm sorry मैं आपको बोल कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मतलब
ऋषि जी संभाल नहीं लेंगे, दौड़ा देंगे.
अब आपको कोई बोले कि आप राजस्थान के हो.
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल आपकी जैसे ही हूँ. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने अपनी अलग मीटिंग शुरू कर दी. एग्जैक्टली मैं भी ऐसे ही करता हूँ.
Thank you. Okay, let's quickly play the next film. the credit cards film. Let's watch this.
ये वॉच चाहिए.
हर आदमी के पास
Operation for 4 years. It's unprecedented for a bank of 4 years operation to actually go out there and launch these innovative credit cards. Sir, सही कह रही हूँ ना मैं? मैं ये नहीं पूछूंगी कि ऐसा क्यों, मैं पूछूंगी ऐसा कैसे हुआ?
मैं बताऊंगा.
ऐसा कैसे?
मैं बताऊंगा. देखिए, इंडिया में डेबिट कार्ड है 80 करोड़. सर 80 करोड़ डेबिट कार्ड हैं. जो क्यारा ने बोला कि डेबिट कार्ड आधार तो 130 करोड़ ही है. तो मैं डेटा बता रहा हूँ जो क्यारा बोल रही हैं. 130 करोड़ हमारे आधार है, 80 करोड़ हमारे पास डेबिट कार्ड है. एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड
कितने हैं सर?
एनी गेस?
5 करोड़.
हाँ, 5 करोड़ लोग हैं और 6.5 करोड़ है खाली.
5 करोड़.
दो तीन तो आपके पास ही होंगे. तो 6.5 करोड़ क्रेडिट कार्ड हैं इस देश में. If we, and I'm actually looking that India will grow by at least 8% north in next 10 years. So हम जितनी खुशहाली इस देश में आएगी तो ease of payment कैसे आएगा? डेबिट कार्ड यूज करना थोड़ा आदमी को लगता है कि he exposes his whole banking to the fraudster, right? तो क्रेडिट कार्ड इज a limited liability on a customer. जितना लिमिट है उससे ज़्यादा मिसयूज नहीं हो सकता. एंड द मिलेनियल रात को ई-कॉमर्स करनी है, एजुकेशन को टेक यूज करना है, खाने का ऑर्डर देना है, पिक्चर देखनी है, शॉपिंग करनी है, तो उनके बापू ने उनको खाली क्रेडिट कार्ड ही दे रखा है. बिकॉज दैट इज अ लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी. डेबिट कार्ड देंगे तो सारा साफ कर देंगे. सो इन माई ओपिनियन क्रेडिट कार्ड इज मस्ट फॉर एवरी बैंक. एंड इन माई ओपिनियन वी आर लेट, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी थैंकफुल टू द टीम एंड दी होल सप्लायर्स, वेंडर्स, पार्टनर्स कि उन्होंने हमें 4.5 साल में रिकॉर्ड टाइम पे हमारा क्रेडिट कार्ड लॉन्च किया है. इज वन ऑफ दी, I won't say one of the best. It's a journey, but you see the color. I think Kiara, you show the pink one. The pink one is for you. The blue one's for me. You know. so I think that's the way we have built it, sir. And red one is for you, sir, because king hai aap. So you know, this is how we have actually built it. The green for this. So there's a lot of emotions around it, lot of utility around it, and you will see this card coming off very well in times to come. Thank you.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Chaliye, let's play the next film, the QR code film.
AU बैंक अब
उत्तम जी,
यार ये लड्डू रियल में खाया था? ओके ओके.
उत्तम जी, AU बैंक का QR कोड है कुछ खास, ऐसा क्यों?
So again, Gitika, now we all know that QR and this UPI payments is so convenient and so simple in our life now. It's imbibed in our life now. You know, carrying a cash, this pandemic has taught us a lot of things, you know, and this all government initiatives. The carrying a cash and giving cash is, out of mind now. So
Yes.
QR and UPI payments and this NPCI is come up with so much of, I think we're the largest in the world. UPI transactions, QR transactions, we are the largest in the world, Amritsar. So which is a very obvious for AU also to be in this QR code. Why we are different this? We are not just giving this QR for the payment. Since we are serving MSMEs,
Yes.
small merchants, you know,
Yes, yes.
for last 20 years we are giving loan to them. They don't have access to credit. They are unserved and unreached markets. They don't have income documents. And we are serving them with the loans for last 20 years. So what we have, what Kiara said, you get your QR with so much of other business benefits. So we are providing them loans also with these QRs, instant loans to those customers. कि आप merchant हैं, आपका customer आ रहे हैं, transaction कर रहे हैं,
Wow.
and you get immediate limits also, credit limits also.
Oh.
So that's with the business proposition
So
for them.
it's a step ahead
Yes,
even in
yes,
this.
it's not just a payment.
Oh, wow.
So that's why we have come out with this concept of QR. And thanks, Kiara, for giving this life.
इसीलिए आपका QR कोड है कुछ खास.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, ji. We're going to ask for one more chair on stage because now I'm very honored to invite this man on stage. Truly honored, really. He is the director of the highest grossing film in India ever. And I believe, sir, it is also the 5th highest grossing film, non-English film in the world. Am I right? The 2,000 crore Dangal. माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी हर पल प्यारे दंगल दंगल. Your Dangal with Indian films has given us many a goal, sir. I'm honored to invite you on stage. Please welcome Nitish Tiwari, the man behind the filmography of this campaign.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
बैठिए sir.
Thank you.
He is a noted and stellar Indian film director, lyricist, and screenwriter, and I'm a huge fan. Sir, tell us about your experience of creating this filmography for this campaign, Badlav Humse Hai. And firstly, welcome, sir, and thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Honestly, my job was very easy on this campaign. I'll tell you why. You know, when you have a client who truly believes in what he says or promises and who truly does what he promises, you know, it becomes very easy for you, you know, to understand his vision. When you have agency creatives, Sagar and his team are sitting here, who also understand the power of communication and also know that if this is the proposition which is being given to me, this is exactly what I need to communicate. In this case, you know, like Amir sir said, promise itna bada hai aapka, you know, keep it humorous and simple and to the point is what they created, you know, which I thought was very nice.
Ji.
And thirdly, you know, when you have performers like Amir sir and Kiara, you know, you just need to tell them this is what I'm expecting and
Yes.
they deliver more than that,
Yes.
you know. So my job was actually very easy, to be very honest.
नहीं, Nitish ji is being
Very
very humble.
humble.
Actually, when this हमारी पहली मीटिंग में हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया कि we want Nitish ji.
Yes, yes.
And before we moved ahead at all, Nitish ji was the first person who was roped in. So he did the whole thing from the beginning.
Correct. Absolutely.
But the campaign has your touch, sir. Has your distinct touch.
I try to do justice
does.
to what's there on paper. Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know,
Ji.
I won't say, you know, as I'm telling again and again, we are doing from so many years, but the power of communication and the power of acting and the power of display, you know, is humongous. Matlab, I was floored. Actually, I told Nitish Saab that I need to start a video company, short videos company to express ourselves. क्योंकि हमारी तो कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. हम इतने सालों से बोल रहे हैं, अब आमिर साहब बोलेंगे तो सब सुनेंगे. मतलब कियारा बोलेगी तो
Don't believe that, हमारी कोई सुनता ही नहीं है.
It's the way, you know, I feel ki, and thank you Sagar ji and Rohit ji for believing us. You know, it was an amazing team game. मुझे लगता है कि अब मैं ये तो नहीं बोलूँगा कि थ्री इडियट्स अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन कम भी नहीं है. For me.
नहीं, actually I was missing working with Nitish ji from so long. तो ये इस बहाने हम लोग को भी काम करने को मिल गया. I really enjoyed it, Nitish ji. बहुत वक्त हो गया था.
Absolutely, sir. You know, we stay in touch on our WhatsApp group, but rarely, you know, because sir is also busy with his projects.
आपका मैं ना एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ रही थी परसों. I wanted to write some lines on you. थोड़ा ऑफ टॉपिक है, जल्दी से बताऊंगी. एंड उस इंटरव्यू में आपने कहा है कि अच्छा आज मैं काम कर रहा हूँ तो काम करता ही जाऊंगा. घर जाने की मुझे जल्दी नहीं है. बीवी घर में नहीं है तो घर जाके क्या करूंगा. मेडल दे दो इन्हें. ऐसे आदमी आजकल नहीं मिलते हैं. Sir, I'm going to now open the house for questions. Sure. And I'm going to invite on stage Saurav Tambi. Sir, please can you join me on stage to help me through this Q&A session? Right or left, sir?
Geetika, just before beginning, you know, I would really want
Ji,
to
sir.
thank one more guy.
हाँ जी.
This is Shamak Saab. You know, मतलब सर के असिस्टेंट हैं, प्रोडक्शन हाउस पूरा मैनेज करते हैं. तो
हाँ.
पहली मीटिंग हमारी इनसे हुई थी.
अच्छा.
यदि ये आगे हमको नहीं भेजते ना,
अच्छा.
तो एनवेलप नहीं मिलता हमें.
संजय, मैंने पहले इंटरव्यू दिया था श्यामा सर को.
इंटरव्यू दिया था.
मैंने
So thank you sir, thank you so much for
That's the
again
man there.
believing us.
That's him there.
Thank you so much.
All right.
ये भी बहुत भयंकर डिटेल ओरिएंटेड हैं. मतलब पूरी फैमिली में ऐसे ही है कुछ. हर आदमी पूरी बात करता है.
Chaliye, are you all ready? We're opening the house for questions here. And I'm going to request all the esteemed members of the press to try and keep the questions to the topic at hand. Thank you very much. Fire away. We'll get you the mic when you raise your hand.
Hi, Sanjay sir. Bijoy from Informist here.
Yes, sir, please.
Hi.
State your name, publication, and ask your question, sir. Thank you very much.
Bijoy from Informist Media here, sir. Just wanted to check, you all have been doing a pilot of this credit card for the last few months. I think at the end of June 30, you had around 25,000.
Sorry,
Sir,
I'm not
can you
able
for
to.
a second remove your mask?
And,
Thank you very much.
I think the sound has to be more clear. I don't know who is handling this.
It's the mask. It's the mask.
Yeah. Sorry, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Bijoy from Informous Media here. I believe you all have been doing the pilot launch of the credit cards for a while. You'll have had 25,000 cards. Just confirming that Visa and Fiserv are the partners that you all are tied up with, because they're not mentioned in your
Yes.
in your
Yes.
communication.
So fortunately,
today.
we are with the Visa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So exactly.
Yes.
That's extremely
So
important.
we
So
launched it in January, February. So वहाँ पे हमने ऐसा क्यों नहीं पूछा था? हमने कहा जो best उसके साथ जाएंगे. And we took Visa and Fiserv.
Okay. So, but what is the kind of scale that you have in terms of customer base that you intend to offer this to? So, by the end of this year, how many customers do you intend to offer this to? I think there is a reverb on with your mics. I think you guys need to sort this out.
Yeah.
Okay. Separately, on the digital offerings and on the credit cards, everybody has the same kind of offerings, tie-ups. What will be the differentiating factor? Because there has to be something beyond the usual that you have to be offering, because everybody from, take the biggest PSU bank in the country to the biggest private bank, everybody has the services. But to get people to come back and transact on your services, what are the tie-ups, what are the plans in place for that?
Yeah, thank you. It's a brilliant question, because generally bank does not differentiate much on product line because we are highly, highly regulated. So it's not much room available, but I think by virtue of as I already told you about the power of communication, and of course the whole execution which AU team can do, and we are now, 5-year-old as a bank, 25-year-old here as an institution. We have a lot of customer base and data. The opportunity is so humongous, as I already commented, that 80 crore debit card and 6 crores of credit card, and India is bound to grow by 8% in next 10 years, if everything gets settled there. So there will be a lot of opportunity, honestly. It's just a matter of execution. And of course, we being a bank, we need to compete, or we need to offer every product. And if you go and see now also, in our super app, which is our deposit, which is our payments, which is around, the whole entertainment or lifestyle, in terms of the even credit card, video banking, we are at par, You have to appreciate that we are just 4.5-year-old. Journey has just begun it, right? And there's a long way to go, but hopefully the team will do everything which make our product very competitive and attractive. Okay, so number as I told, it's huge number, but as of now, it's close to 30,000 cards, and we have just launched it. So I won't be able to give you exact number because the plan has to come in times to come. But rest assured, we are really focusing on the millennial, next generation, our own customer, unserved, unreached market. And you will see AU credit card going leaps and bounds in times to come. Thank you.
Thank you for your question, sir. Can we have the next question, ma'am? Yes, sir.
Namaste,
Introduce
sir.
yourself, sir.
Anurag this side from Z Business.
Hi.
Yes, sir. Sir, क्रेडिट कार्ड से ही जुड़ा हुआ टाइमिंग जो है क्रेडिट कार्ड आप मार्केट में आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अभी हमने देखा है कि कोरोना पेंडेमिक के बाद कई सारी बैंकों के जो स्ट्रेस है क्रेडिट कार्ड से जुड़े काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं, तो ये टाइमिंग अभी वाली चूज़ की गई और इसमें क्या ड्यू डिलिजेंस कुछ ज़्यादा रहेगा क्रेडिट कार्ड इशू करते समय, क्योंकि स्ट्रेस हमें आगे भी थोड़ा वक्त तक दिख रहा है। दूसरा सवाल सर, जो इंटरेस्ट रेट आपने अभी सारे एड्स में 7% पर जो बताया है, तो ऐसा ही हमने पिछले साल देखा था, एक प्राइवेट बैंक ने एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर को हायर करके सब जगह एडवर्टाइजमेंट किया गया 7%, और 6-8 महीने बाद वो कम हो गया। तो वहाँ पर तो ये 7% तक जो इंटरेस्ट आप कितने टाइम तक एश्योर कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, अनुराग, थैंक यू फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। सो फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट, मेरे हिसाब से स्ट्रेस था, स्ट्रेस था। इंडिया माइट ग्रो दिस टाइम नॉर्थ ऑफ 9%। मिलेनियल, आप घर पे बैठे हुए हो, डेबिट कार्ड मेक्स यू लिटिल वरी, टू यूज ऑनलाइन। क्रेडिट कार्ड हैज ए लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी। वी आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ इनपुट एंड बट आवर credit has to be, risk management has to be there, right? We cannot be reckless. And I'm really proud to say you that over the years, AU's credit quality, asset quality remain paramount, right? It remained very strong and solid in this pandemic time also. So we believe that our company, our people around the risk, around the credit will take a lot of precautions in understanding the whole pain and remain away from that and look for future, right? And it's just, we started, right? It might take 1 or 2 years more to settle down. So I think it's a brilliant timing, because if we want to go after 5 years, India would have grown by another 30%, right? So I think I would say all digital properties, and especially credit card, is bang on time, right? And of course, we need to be really secured. We need to be really cautious about our working, so we'll manage that way. In terms of interest rate, Anurag, you appreciate that we are a small finance bank. We have the luxury to have a higher NIMs because our markets allows us to price our asset on higher side. So it's not why we are paying higher rate, because we use money efficiently for you also, and for the guys who take the loans, because we are giving the loans to the customer who was taking from NBFCs and old Sahukas. So we are saving their money also and pricing your money effectively. And it's a commercial decision, to be very honest, but what we can tell you, what we are offering as of now. And I'm very happy that, our brand ambassadors are not only promoting us one thing, they are actually promoting the Badlaav Humse concept, which says that interest rate bhi acha hai, easy banking hai, flexible hai, naya product hai, empowerment hai. So this is all about us. Thank you.
Thank you for your question, sir. Yes, sir. Your question, please.
Hanji sir, hi. This is Utkarsh Chaturvedi from ET Now. I want to actually highlight on the timing fact only, because, we are in an unlocking phase now. Many are using the term that there will be revenge buying, which has happened in the first phase as well. Now, you're there in the rural markets as well. What is the market telling you at this point of time when it's opening up? How's the response been? We have seen that in the first lockdown, once the markets opened up, there was a lot of demand. Is there the same case? Because rural wasn't hit as bad back then, the way it was hit in the second wave.
No. I think first lockdown, the first COVID last first quarter, we were all unprepared. We were not even knowing कि क्या rate है, कहाँ COVID test होगा, कितना oxygen लगेगा, कितने bed चाहिए. It was in air. That is why our government took that hard view कि यार, when we don't understand, let's lock it up, right? But if we really see the whole understanding coming from last year, first quarter, we have learned a lot, We haven't even have this national lockdown in COVID-2, right? We managed it with a regional one. And even we, as Indian, as a human also, were better prepared. Of course, the pain was more, but we came back strongly. And in my opinion, now we are 50 crore plus vaccinated. We know about the protocols. We know how we handled COVID-2. I think COVID-3, may be there, but the examples, the data says that it might not be so bad. So we have to live with this now, right? And banking has to move beyond that, because आपका पैसा है मेरे पास, और आपको मेरे से पैसा चाहिए. So, and bank comes into essential services. हम एक दिन भी बंद नहीं हो सकते हैं, एक मिनट भी बंद नहीं हो सकते हैं शायद. So we need to be there at every time. So bank, that is why the whole digital bank importance comes in. Because आप घर पे भी हैं, आपको पैसा ट्रांसफर करना है, अकाउंट खोलना है, लोन के लिए अप्लाई करना है, we are there, right? So I think bank transition to digital at this time is completely required.
So just a follow-up question on that. Do you think that this badlaav ki hum baat kare, this is a new paradigm shift in the way banking will happen from now on?
So I won't want to take it to that level. Our humble submission to the whole world is this, that the way we want to do banking is this way, where people feel comfortable, people feel कि यार मेरे से ये ना साइन नहीं करवाते यार, ये मेरे से एप्लीकेशन की बात नहीं करते, ये मेरे से मेरी बैंक ब्रांच नहीं बुलाते हैं, ये मेरी इज्जत रखते हैं. So for us, our customer first, not only in terms of only लिखा हुआ, in terms of action, is all we meant for. So I hope कि हम सब बैंक जितने bankers हैं, we should do that. But I'm not supposed to tell them what they should do, but I'm supposed to do what we should do as a banker. And I'm very happy that we are the catalyst of Badlaav Humse Hai.
Thank you for your question, sir. Yes, ma'am, please.
Hi, Preeti Sompura here from India News. Here.
Hi.
My question is, what's your target customer? Lower middle class or upper middle class?
Ma'am, आप हैं हमारे target.
You are giving us a complimentary bank.
So देखिए, banking is amazing. I think I'm very fortunate, Amir Saab, that people like us got the license. Because in my opinion, banking license is only one word, trust. So the moment you get the license and the moment you open the branch, the moment you have the locker, लोग बाग पैसे भी जमा कर देते हैं और अपना खजाना भी दे देते हैं. And sometimes I wonder why people do this. Because I am that same guy, Sanjay Agarwal, जिसको कोई पैसा देता भी नहीं था. But now because of license power, right? This is one of the most amazing power the banker has, and we need to really respect that. You know, we really need to build trust, and you know that is why anything which goes wrong around banking, it scares me. But for me, the banking is a platform where people who have more money put their money in the bank, and which will be used by the people who need it, right? So for us, for our depositors, entire world is our customer, you know. We need to go to them slowly with our product, services, approach, and make them believe that AU is the right bank for you, where you can make your money grow and secured. And ones who need it has to be seamless, right? So for us, as of now, if you tell me, I will say for depositor, we are focusing on metro, and for loans, we are focusing underserved and unreached markets.
Thank you, ma'am, for your question.
Yeah, I have one question for the Amir Khan.
Yes, please.
Amir, we have seen that in last 18 months, film industry has suffered a lot. So now, what do you think कि film industry को कैसे बाहर आना चाहिए? Because we know that in Mumbai and especially in Maharashtra, theaters are still closed. So what do you think कि इस scenario से कैसे बाहर आना होगा? Because last week you met the Kashmir governor also, and you have discussed about the film industry policy also. So my question is कैसे? What do you think कि इस scenario से film industry कैसे बाहर आ सकती है?
Would you like me to take this question? Because this is not about banking.
I think he's talking about
Hope. एक्चुअली इसका कोई आसान जवाब नहीं है. जाहिर है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री चाहेगी कि थिएटर खुलें, और जाहिर है थिएटर तभी खुल पाएंगे जब हेल्थ सिचुएशन बेटर हो, जब कोविड पे हम एक कंट्रोल पा लें एज अ सोसाइटी. तो वो कोशिश चल रही है, सरकार भी उसमें लगी है, हम लोग सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड एज वी गेट वैक्सीनेटेड, आई थिंक थिंग्स विल गेट बेटर. जैसे जैसे हम में से ज़्यादा लोग पॉपुलेशन में वैक्सीनेट होंगे, चीज़ें होपफुली बेटर होंगी. तब तक आई थिंक कुछ फिल्में OTP कहते हैं ना, OTT सॉरी, OTT पे आती हैं, और तब तक मतलब आई एम ऑल्सो एज अ फिल्म पर्सन वेरी कंसर्न के सिनेमाज जल्दी खुलें. तो आई होप इन द नियर फ्यूचर थिंग्स विल get better.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, your question, please, and then we'll take one last question.
Hello, everyone. This is Sneha, and my first question is to Sir. So basically, if we see banking and finance for a very long time has been considered as a dull category. But of course, over time, with digital adoption and many developments, the category actually saw the kind of attention it deserved. But again, in terms of communication, it was always skewed towards the elderly or the older people of the family or something in that sense. But what about the millennial or the Gen Z population? So I just want to understand what is your strategy in that direction to put that age group to get into financial assets, and how challenging it is to communicate to them or grab their attention.
Okay. No, so I think it's a journey which we all took 75 years back as a country to make the inclusion happen everywhere, to be very honest. And banks are playing a very important role in it. By virtue of physical presence, you are opening the branch and all those things. It took a lot of time. It's not easy. But now with the digital world, as you would have seen, like video banking, we can actually do a lot of advising through that and help people to understand bank and its product and features and all those things, right? So that's one strong medium. Then a lot of awareness. If you really see the whole landscape in last 10 years is around the bank has to move up, For us, because if you really go and back and see that, first was nationalization, then it was privatization in 95, and it took 20 years to give the next licensing, right? Now you're getting license every year. So I think more and more banks will come, more and more tech will evolve, more and more awareness will come, and it will help people to understand the meaning of bank and its requirement and its own own purpose, right? So it's a journey, and as a banker, and before as a banker, I was more of a financial guy. I'm very impressed the way the India has growing, their knowledge, their likings, and understanding the risk. You know, now people understand what is bank and what is equity market. It was not there 20 years back. So very happy to see the journey, and it will continue. And we being a catalyst of change, you know, where we do all incremental innovations, we will do everything to make this our country aware about the whole banking and its requirement. पहले भी आपको ध्यान होता होगा कि पहले गांव में बड़ी बदमाशियां होती थी, लोग चिट फंड चलाते थे, बहुत सारी चीजें करते थे जिससे डबल हो जाएगा पैसा, ट्रिपल हो जाएगा. That number has significantly came down because banking has gone up. There is somebody in the village to tell you कि भैया 24% का ब्याज नहीं मिलेगा. The interest is around 6%, right? I think this is the way we are awareing, and the threat can be digital frauds. So वो भी, I think I'm happy the way the regulators are moving in, and you will see a lot of comfort coming in that segment also. So I think we are into an amazing journey for next 20 years.
Hi Amir sir, this is Ravi Jain from ABP News Channel. सर एक छोटा सा सवाल बैंकिंग से हटकर है. आपकी फिल्म जो अगली आने वाली है, जिसकी शूटिंग हाल ही में आप करगिल और आसपास के इलाकों में कर रहे थे, पिछले पेंडेमिक से 1.5 सालों में बहुत ऐसा समय गुजरा है जब आप शूटिंग नहीं कर पाए, और आपकी आखिरी फिल्म आकर भी बहुत एक अरसा गुजर चुका है. क्या ऐसा माना जाए कि आपको पिछले 1.5 साल में फिल्म को और बेहतर करने के लिए ज़्यादा वक्त मिल गया, या आपके लिए ये पीरियड बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग था कि फिल्म की रिलीज डेट तय हो चुकी थी पिछले साल और अब तक रिलीज नहीं हो पाई है, और अब कब रिलीज होगी इसको लेकर भी कुछ श्योरिटी नहीं है? तो इसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप सर?
सर फिल्म का नाम लाल सिंह चड्ढा. Now he'll answer your question.
नहीं, but ये सब मैं
I hope you will I request you people, because small, I know you can ask. Amir Saab is available every time.
हाँ, मैं कभी और आपसे बात करूँगा.
This is regarding AU Bank, and you will respect that the whole environment today, you know, because here we want to show our product.
जी,
आमिर साहब तो अवेलेबल.
देखिए, आपका जवाब भी दे देता हूँ और आपको भी खुश कर देता हूँ. देखिए, इस बीच में हम लोग लाल सिंह की शूटिंग नहीं कर पाए, लॉकडाउन था, उस चक्कर में हमारा आदि की कैंपेन बन गया.
Absolutely.
और तेरी ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था सर. ओह, हम बाय प्रोडक्ट हैं. Okay.
The last question of this session, please. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
आमिर जी एंड कियारा जी, हाय, आपके ठीक सामने. मैंने नोटिस किया जब भी आपकी कोई फिल्म आती है तो हमारी सोसाइटी में ढेरों बदलाव आ जाते हैं. मुझे याद है जब गजनी आई थी तो लोगों ने अपने लुक बदल दिए थे, एंड धूम जब हमने देखा था, एंड टैगलाइन है बदलाव हमसे है. इन दिनों आपकी लाइफ में जो बदलाव आया है, कैसे देखते हैं आप इसे, एंड कुछ कहना चाहें अगर आप?
Sir, this question has no relevance to the topic of the
आप
conference.
बैंकिंग के बारे में, हाँ, आप बैंकिंग के बारे में पूछिए, मैं बताता हूँ आपको.
बैंकिंग में बदलाव हमसे है. AU Small Finance Bank. Thank you very much, sir, for your question. Thank you all for your question.
हमें आपकी जिंदगी में आया ना सर, ये बदलाव हुआ है.
Okay.
कियारा जी,
all I'd like to say here is that
कियारा जी, पिछले कुछ एक सालों में जिस तरह की आपकी फिल्में आई हैं, एंड जिस तरह से बदलाव आया है आपकी लाइफ में, एंड अभी कुछ ही घंटे बाकी है आपकी और एक सुपर हिट फिल्म आने वाली है, क्योंकि ट्रेलर मैंने ऐसा देखा, मुझे ऐसा फील होता है. कुछ कहना चाहेंगी ये जो बदलाव आया है आपके साथ?
Again, I respect.
One for the road, Kiara. One for the road.
I hope इसमें भी बदलाव हमसे ही आए. But everything is moving, you know, we're adapting to the changes right now. Change is the only thing constant. Be it today, as we're sharing with you, you know, we're communicating the bank services to you. और जैसे आपने फिल्म के बारे में पूछे, कुछ हमारे फिल्में OTT पे जा रही है. But basically, I think right now all I can say is in the safest way possible, we're all trying to come to you, to your home. Be it banking, be it entertaining through our movies. You chill at home, we will come to you and give you those services. Thank you.
And Kiara, all the very best for your movie release tomorrow. It's a movie made on a wonderful story, and I hope it will do very well. It changed the perception of war heroes in India with Ye Dil Mange Mo. That was Badlav Humse Hai. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, chalo nayi misal ho. जलो नई मशाल हो, बढ़ो नया कमाल हो, बढ़े चलो, आशीष रक्त तोल दो, स्वतंत्रता का मोल दो, कड़ी युगों की खोल दो, let's do this, बदलाव हमसे है, the photo opportunity you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, please come together for the
thank you so much.
opportunity. Our friends from the press, this is your photo opportunity.